to my garage at the old Booney homestead here. It's still not much of a homestead because the weather is not cooperating in the upper Pacific Northwest region of the United States. It's rainy, it's cold, our days are very short, and I decided I was going to start working in the garage and start doing some projects here to get ready so when the weather turns nice, get things going. I got some upcycling of some old material that I want, or some old tables and stuff that I want to turn into workbenches. And while getting ready for one of those, I ran into this thing. Alright, as a hometown review, we're going to check out this Ridgid universal miter saw stand. The problem with the miter saw is that they're so awkward, there's nowhere to actually store these things. And so I was walking through Home Depot to buy something for another project. I saw this thing on display and it was fairly inexpensive, $149, and I think it had a lot of value for future projects, so I went ahead and pulled the trigger and made the purchase. This thing says it's 50% larger, it's got 12-inch rules, and it's got tool indexing extension locks. That's what got me on this this purchase, because I saw how far it extended, and it's really going to help me when I'm building on the shed and every other off-road project I have. Rolls and a couple of these doohickeys, a couple of wigs, those are the actual tool rests, some brackets, some foot pads that I don't know if that's asbestos or whatever's on it. I'm sure this was made in China. Got a little bar action, some more nuts and bolts. Tell you what, it's pretty heavy. They look like they're going to be our landing spots, or landing pads for the actual miter saw. Wheels, man, they are big wheels. They're nice. So that's it completed. I'll tell you what, I mean, I got some things I gotta do. I gotta level these against level the roll stops versus the actual miter saw. But the directions are absolutely useless on this thing, to be honest with you. I just threw them and looked at the box because there were pages that they had the correct model in. It was like every other page had a different miter saw stand configuration. So the pieces didn't match the parts. I mean, but there's not a lot to it. It wasn't that difficult. I still got to go through and tighten most of the stuff up because I just kind of left everything loose until I got it. But I think overall, I'd give the actual quality of the product, I mean, I'd give it a solid Ojo. I'd give it an 8 out of 10. The directions for you, or ease of instructions, I think it was pretty easy once you figure it out. But you're going to have to look at the book, or you're going to have to just throw away the manual and just look at the picture. But there's not a lot to it. But what I really like about it, the part that got me and sold me on this, is because my compound miter saw, or my sliding arm saw, whatever you want to call it, it's an awkward shape and it doesn't fit well anywhere in your garage. So the reason I got this is because it can fold up, and I'll demonstrate how that happens. It's really neat. It's like a foot attachment, and it'll come up and it'll come down with relative ease, and now I can just
find a corner for it. It's going to be nice, neat, and out of the way. I need it, I can pull it out, and I can use it. I'll go ahead and demonstrate that. So it's got a little foot handle here. That's it. It locks again. Now it's like having a hand truck. You can put it wherever you want. You want to pull it out and use it? You're dangling, just like that. So that's it. I would give it a serious recommendation. I'll put a link below so you can see exactly the product number on Amazon if you want to order it. I've learned being out here in the sticks that Amazon's your absolute best friend. I mean, if I were you, I would click the link below. I would sign up for an Amazon Prime card or Amazon Prime account if you don't have one. You're not going to go to the store and get certain items living like this. So